This is a simple step-by-step guide on opening your CDS account. Log into the portal and select New Account Opening. Before you proceed, make sure you have the following ready. All details must be completed in English only. Step 1. Enter your personal details as they appear on your national identity card. Step 2. Fill in your residential details. If your address differs from the address shown on your NIC, you will need to upload a valid proof of residence. Enter and confirm the remaining information as applicable. Step 3. Enter and confirm your bank account details. Only enter the last 12 digits of your account number and select your verification method. You will receive your dividend payouts to this account, so please take extra care to ensure all information added is accurate. Step 4. Select the employment status relevant to you and enter the requested information. Answer the mandatory questions accurately by selecting the applicable options. Step 5. Read the definition of politically exposed person carefully and answer based on your personal circumstances. Step 6. Upload the following documents for verification. A selfie. The selfie you take should meet the following criteria. Images of the front and back of your national identity card. Your proof of bank account. If required, upload any additional documents as advised by your stockbroker. Step 7. In this final step, read the terms, conditions, and declarations. Answer the questions accurately and agree to the terms listed by ticking the boxes in front of the terms and conditions. Click Submit to complete your application. Your CDS account opening request has now been successfully submitted to your selected stockbroker. You will be notified via email once your application has been reviewed and approved.